Do any of you know where Steve is at all?
I'm right here. I just had to get some caffeine into these bones, and the food court you guys put in here is amazing.
Alright then, team. Welcome to our first official meeting. Given we've been at this for a solid few months, we're doing better than I expected, to be honest. But fair isn't as great is, if that makes any sense at all. We kind of need a hit and something that's fairly fresh and doesn't turn me into a hermit. Any good ideas?
Oh, pick me! Oh, I know, me!
Well, for starters, you've invested way too much into just laptop sales, which is way too mundane and won't draw engagement. The disassembly and reviews are a nice step in the right direction, but you just need to cover more of the areas that you'd want to work on. As a head developer,
Great idea, Steve. I was just thinking the exact same thing. As surprising as it is, Stevenson has a valid point. Like, our whole brand is to do IT-related stuff and solve IT-related problems and help out the public in general. And that department is literally in need of some improvement. Alrighty, no further additions? Then let's get to work. That means you're doing most of the work, Anita. It's kind of your job. Holy YouTube algorithm, what the heck happened here? How am I supposed to work with this?
Don't worry, champ. If anyone can clean this up, it's you two. Don't break a leg.
Oh, finally, it's finished. It wasn't so bad. The Eldritch Abomination that was in there was pretty nice, actually. Now that we've got it at least habitable for normal human beings to occupy, I need a relevant name for this thing. Thinking I got my thinking cap on. What about TPGtech info oh no, we already have one of those. I totally forgot we had one of those. Anyways, it would have sucked in the first place. Why not just call it TPGtech HelpDesk, because I'm totally not exhausted and out of ideas at this point.
See, I knew that you guys could do it. All it took was a little bit of mental fortitude.
Excuse me. Is this a good place to get help with a computer?
Yes sir, how can I help you?
I just bought this HP 840 grams 2 laptop from eBay and it didn't come with a battery or SSD. So I bought both and I installed the SSD. But it states boot device not found. Please install an operating system on your hard drive disk. Can you tell me where to get the operating system? Google couldn't find anything to assist me.
This issue is relatively easy to fix and it will take probably a few minutes at tops. So when you buy a hard disk drive or any internal storage drive, you bought a solid state drive for instance, they do not usually come with an operating system pre-installed on them due to potential compatibility issues that can occur when you reuse a hard disk drive or an internal drive with an operating system already on it. When you buy a laptop from a store or a manufacturer, they already have installed operating systems onto the drive beforehand, so you know you don't have to install anything. But since you bought your drive separately, it won't have an operating system on it 9 times out of 10, and you'll need to buy one or just transfer one over from a computer you already have. You also could use a Linux operating system for free as well, but they require slightly more work to use if you haven't used one before, so I'd probably recommend sticking with Windows.
Much appreciated. I'll have Windows 10. I'll buy it, thanks.
No prob. I'll let you know when we're done. Well, it looks like this apartment's working out already. be glad to see you made it to the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe on your way out, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. TPG out.